Thank you very much. Your Grace, our Archbishop Jackson Olisapit, our Dean, Your Lordship, Bishop Masaba, na kanisa la Kristo, waziri wetu na mtoto hapa nyumbani, Justin Bedan Muturi, Stella, the wife of the late Eric, and your children, my friend, Senator Lene Kivuti and your wife and the greater family, wale viongozi wote ambao wamefika, watu wa Kanyaombora na watu ya Bere North na watu ya Embu County, Gaine mwega na hede ciothe Geithia iciare na mwathani agocwo. Happy New Year. Senator Kivuti, my friend, and your wife and family have also come with my wife, not as a leader, not as a politician, but a friend. Sisi ni marafiki kama familia na ndio tumefika hapa kukufariji. And to tell you pole for the loss of Eric, Stella and your children, as I told you when I came to the house in Nairobi. We'll pray for you, for God to give you comfort, to give you strength, to bear the loss and to bring up these young children the way Eric would have wanted. For the siblings, Brian, Alan, and Kreka, when we spoke, I saw how close you are to Eric. I know the gap is big. God will give you peace and courage. So Senator wetu na watu ya hapa tunasema pole. And that is why we came, to show togetherness in solidarity with our brother, because that is who we are as a people. Idwe adwagoko age kuyuna Embu na Meru twe mutugo mwe wa bata muno mushi uria wina maithori idhuothe tugokana ngacigo kugiria andu aria meku maithori. It's a very strong tradition, and I want to encourage my people. Wale walikuja kwa hii boma na maombi, asanteni. Wale walilete msumari, asanteni. Wale walilete kuni, asanteni. That is our way. That when one of us is in tears, zote tunakuja kwa hiyo boma, tunakuja kuwapunguza machozi. And that is why we say we are happy as a people. Mzee Kiraito, don't worry about Mount Kenya East and West. Ile shida lifanya mimi nakosana na William Ruto ni kujaribu kugawanya Mount Kenya into two, na nikamwambia haiwezekani, kwa sababu tukikubali kugawanywa tumeisha. Our strength is our unity.